Good evening, everyone. I hope I'm audible. I welcome you all to GRE Preparation Made Easy Quantitative Reasoning class by Mrs. Annapurna Murugan. Here are a few instructions for the participants. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and noise-free environment. We recommend you to use your earphones for best experience. Also, please respect your instructor, yourself, and your classmates. Do not write anything inappropriate on the chat box. Also, how to answer the polls. You have to click on the more icon on your screen and then activities option, and from there you can go on polls. Also, we have three packages, that is bronze, silver, and gold. If you upgrade to silver and gold, you'll get extra benefits like evaluated mock tests, expert university recommendations, and so on. We also have free profile evaluation with our experts, comprehensive evaluation, university shortlisting, course recommendations, recommendation reports, and doubt clearance. We have free live IELTS classes Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. It is a 4-week course. And Duolingo classes Monday to Friday, 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. It is a 2-week course. Also, we have this webinar on 18th November, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. 8 p.m. It is regarding the US student visa interview masterclass. Here you can get detailed information regarding detailed process, tips to crack the interview question types, and QA and session round. Here are a few Ubergrad achievements. This is the Ubergrad website. You can select the country, course, and specialization. When you go and explore, you have countries, universities, courses, exams. You can get all the information from here. When you go on solution, we have free profile evaluation, talk to the counselor, country recommendations, test preparation stores, additional services. Also, weekly blogs are uploaded. You may go through them. You can contact us by call us, WhatsApp us, or mail us. When you go on my test preparation, GE view course, you get the daily handouts and recordings from here. I'll also be sharing the handouts and recordings link if you've missed any class. Have a great session, and in case of any doubt, you may ask at the end of the session. Thank you.
Hi guys, good evening. I hope everyone is doing great for the day. Yes. Okay. Guys, yesterday we discussed about equations, linear equations, and we saw how important it is and how frequently these type of questions would be coming. Today we'll be discussing about Venn diagrams, okay? And this Venn diagram, specially I'll be discussing on advanced overlapping sets, okay? So Venn diagram means we are not going to discuss the basic what is that sets or something like that, but we are going to discuss on the Venn diagrams and the problems that we usually get on that particular type of problems. Okay, yeah, again I would appreciate if you people answer the questions. So try and answer the question. It is not necessary like always your answer should go correct, but at least if you try. Yeah, tell me, Kashish, what screen? I haven't shared any screen yet. Kashish, I haven't shared any screen. Okay, so I'll be telling and I'll be sharing it. Okay. So today I'm going to describe, or basically I'm going to give two important what is that formulas that we can use to solve so the complicated overlapping set problems using our Venn diagrams. Okay, so let us work on the same here. Okay, now I'm going to present the screen. Just give me 1 second. Okay, let me take our whiteboard. Yes, here we go. Okay, here I'm going to present the screen. Right? So this is our screen. I guess the screen is very much visible. Okay, so you know Venn diagram. Okay, so simple thing. Venn diagram is you people would have come across this particular thing. If we have two sets, A, B, this entire thing we have. Okay, this complete thing is what? A union B. What is that A union B? So the elements together present in A and B together, whereas this part is what? A intersection B. So we have, and the entire box represents the universal set, the leftover items, which is not an A and B, but so it may be in the universal set. This is the basic thing you people know about, isn't it? What we have. So you people know about this particular thing. So this is the basic Venn diagram you people have come across. Now, let us try to figure out this on three, this one. What is that? If we have three sets, how does it look? This is the two set diagram. So what is this? A union B. So we can take A union B, and A union B means all the elements of A and B together is A union B. So A intersection B is what? So only the elements are present in A and B together. Okay, it will be present. So in both of them. Okay, so that is the thing. A complement will be what? The elements which are present only in A but not in B. B complement means elements which are present in B but not in A. Okay, so those things we have. So let us not go deep into this. Now I'm going to speak about the overlapping sets. So where just have a glance. Okay, from this only I'm going to give the formula for you. I have three sets here. This is one set, this is another set, and this is another set we have. Now it is a set A, set B, and set C. So according to us, so set A as A, D, G, and E. Set B as B, D, G, and F. Okay. And set C as C, E, G, F. Okay. So now this is the thing that we have here. So what is happening here? Basically, this part is the element which contains in all the three, that element should be there. So let me show you the red one. Okay, this part. I'm talking about this part. So you can see that this part is a part of A also. This part is a part of B also. This part is a part of C also. That means it should contain an element that is present in all the three. What is present in all the three? G is present, isn't it? I'm showing how you people should write this one. So here we have, in this, I can write this in a simple way. A intersection B intersection C is equals to G. Why? Because that is present in all the three here. Okay. Now, so G is present in all the three. Do we have anything present in all the three? Now, you can see here A and B. What is present? Only in A and B, there is something present. What is that? D. So, this is what? A intersection B. What is present in both A and B? It is D. Okay. And now, what is present in this one? What is that? B and C. B and C, we have F. Okay. Where is B and C? This one. So this is A, B intersection C. What is that? F we have. Now, A intersection C, what is present in this one? E. It is present. So therefore, you people can write it as E here. So now, what are the elements that are not present in all three? I mean individually. In A, we have extra A. In B, we have C. And in C, it is C. See, now, if you just see the set A as A, D, G, E. A, D, G, E. Set B as B, D, G, F. Set C as C, E, G, F. So from this, you people very clearly can say that only the element which is only in A is what? A. Only in B it is B. Only in C it is C. In both A and B we have D. In both B and C, F. In both A and C it is E. So like this we need to build the this one Venn diagram. On the basis of this, okay, on the basis of this, we have one important formula. So here we all take the cardinal numbers of the sets. Okay, what is cardinal numbers? The number of elements present in that. So cardinal number of A is 4, cardinal number of B is 4. This is 4 we have. Okay, so therefore now the total elements together, total is equals to what? Set A, which is present, set B, which is present, set C minus of, remember this formula, sum of two groups overlapping. Two groups that overlap plus all three. In all three, what is present? Okay. Plus neither. That means it is not present in any of them. Okay, that means it is like it is very free, we can say. The sum of two groups overlaps in the sense what? Here, like we'll be having, like we have now, the elements that is A and plus B intersection C plus what is that? A intersection C. That means the sum of the cardinal numbers of all these three things comes out here. This is one of the important formula we use throughout to solve the problem. There is one more problem we'll be using, but before that, I would like to work on one example on this particular problem, using this particular problem. Kindly take this question here. Workers, see, one more thing, why these problems, mostly students don't crack it or don't even try to crack it means because the question will be very lengthy here. So we'll not have that patience to read the question and understand. That is how we miss on the thing. So therefore, kindly, what is that? Be careful about reading the questions. Here they are saying workers are grouped. Okay, grouped on expertise on their expertise level and are placed on at least one team. At least one team. Okay. So now I'm going to write marketing team. Marketing team, how many we have? 20. Okay. Sales team, we have 30. Okay. And 40 or on vision team. VT, how many we have? 40. And along with that, we have 5 workers work on both marketing team and sales team. Okay, 5 workers are on marketing team and sales team. 6 workers are on both sales team and vision team. Okay, 9 workers are on what? Both marketing team and vision team here. And 4 and then 4 workers on all 3 teams. On all 3 teams. That means what? So here, and they're asking how many workers are there in total? How many workers are there in total? So guys, now you need to find the total number of people working, workers there. It is the thing. Marketing people. So I can take M as what? 20. the cardinal number, sales team 30, a vision team 40. Then I can take M intersection S is 5. So yes intersection T is 6, and marketing intersection this one is 9. And in all the teams we have M intersection yes intersection V is how many? 4 people. How to find the total? We know the total, that is M plus S plus V minus of the total of this one, M intersection S plus S intersection T plus M intersection V plus of M intersection S intersection V plus neither. We don't have neither anything, isn't it? Do we have anything neither? No. Now substitute, guys. So what is that we have? 20, 30, 40 minus of 5, 11, 20. I'll just take it out, and 4 plus 0, which is nothing but 20, 50, 50 and 20. It is 70, 70, 74. So we have totally how many people? So we have totally 74 people in the team here. So how many people we have? 74 people. If I show this question, the question is so lengthy, isn't it? So when you have to calculate this, because they're asking total number of people here. So total number of people here could be calculated in this particular way. Any doubts on this question? Any doubts, guys? No? Now, I will be taking one more question. So where we have, what is that? So a little twist in the question. Okay. So little twist, and we'll be using different formula. I said, isn't it? We'll be using two important formulas. The first formula is this. And what is the first formula? It will be having in the first formula. So individually in each team, how many people are there? And the intersections of two sets and intersection of all the three sets, and the neither will be there. This is the thing. But I have a second formula. What is that second formula? The total, we can take it as A plus B plus C minus of sum of exactly two group overlap. That means here we have that exact, that means there will be one particular group where they will be present in. So this one, what is that? And two and all three in the sense intersection plus neither. See, look at the formula. The formula varies here. Let me write it. A plus B plus C minus of sum of exactly two groups overlap. Only two groups overlaps. That means yours, anyone who is in the group will be participating only in only two groups. We have this, and two times all three. That means people who are present in all three plus neither. See, what is the difference between this formula and this formula? Here I say sum of two groups overlaps. That means we'll be having many groups where you can see here, between A and B also there is overlapping, between B and C also overlapping, between A and C also we have overlapping. If we have such overlapping, so between two sets, more than two sets have the overlapping, then we use this formula. But in case only there is overlapping between A and B, so then what is that? In that case, we are going to use this formula. Okay. So based upon this formula, let's see how the question comes in, and let us try to what is that? Calculate them. But you guys need to remember this formula. Okay. If you don't remember this two formulas, I don't think you'll be able to do the problem properly, accurately, and also very easily, because we need to create. See, our main aim is what? We need to do the problems as easily and efficiently and within less time, isn't it? So therefore, we need to know these formulas. So I am once again saying, kindly, what is that? So copy this thing. Okay. So now I'll be talking about a question here. Right. Let me write the question for you guys. Give a try. You people give a try. I won't be explaining this one. You give a try. Okay. Each of the 59 members, each of the 59 members in a high school, in a high school class is required, is required to sign in, to sign up for a minimum of one and a maximum of three academic subjects, three academic clubs. Okay, we have three clubs. One has to at least one or maximum three. The three clubs, the three clubs to choose, the choose from the poetry club, history club, the history club, then what we have, and the writing. The last is a writing club. Okay. Now, a total of a total of 22 students sign up for the poetry club, PCL, right? Poetry club. 27 students sign up for history club, and 28 students sign up for writing club. If six students sign up for exactly two clubs, how many students sign up for all three clubs, for all three clubs? See, look at the thing. The question is so big, isn't it? But you look at the answer. In one step, we are going to get. But let us see. Each of the 59 members, that means they are talking. How many members we have? Total 59 we have. In that, what is the condition? Either one club they need to go, or they need to maximum sign up for three. So what is that? PC club. In PC, how much we have? 22. In HC, how much we have? 27. In WC, how much we have? 28, writing club. And in exactly two, we don't know which one, but in exactly two clubs, how many people we have? exactly 2 clubs. We have 6. Now what we need to find? We need to find students who are present in PC also, HC also, WC also. Because what is the condition? They are saying that, so we have, what is that? Like they can enroll for 3 also. So what is the formula that we need to use? We need to use the second formula. What is that? Total is equals to P plus H plus W minus exactly 2 minus, so what is that? P intersection H intersection W plus neither. Neither to 0 we have. So what we'll do? So we'll shift this to this side and total to this side. Let us equate here. Okay. So what is total? 59 is equals to 22 plus 27 plus 28 minus 6 minus, what is that? Let us take it as x here. Let us shift this to this side and then this to this side. 22 plus 22, it is 6 goes 20, 44. 44 plus 27. So we can take 44 plus 27, 1 by 7. 71 minus 59. So your x will be equal to what? Exactly how much we are going to get? 22 plus 27 plus 28 minus 59. So it is, tell me guys, how much we are going to get? X is, tell me. So 12, isn't it? How much we are getting? Oh, 2 times x we have. We missed the formula. 2 times. So x here, this is 2 times x. So x is equals to 2 by 12 by 2, which is 6 here. Okay? This is the thing we basically have. We got this thing, see. We use this formula. 2 times all 3. So we have shifted here. So we got, so we shifted 2 times x to this side. So it became positive. So x is equals to 12 by 2, that is 6. Getting it? Any doubts on these things? No. No or yes? Okay. So now let me take one more question and kindly do it. I'll be waiting for answer. I won't be doing this. So yeah, of 20 adults, of 20 adults, you people only decide whether you are going to use first formula or second formula. 5 belong to A, 7 belong to B, and 9 belong to C. Okay. If 2 belong to all 3 organizations, and 3 belong and 3 belong to exactly 2 organizations. Exactly 2 organizations. How many belong? How many belong to none of the organization? None of the organization. That means we need to find out neither here, isn't it? So what we need to find out? We need to find out neither. Can you guys tell me what is the formula we need to use? Because neither is present in both the formulas. We have options for neither for both the options. Can you guys tell me? Text me now what, why I'm not able to see the messages. Text me. Which one? Second formula or first formula? We need to use second formula, isn't it? Which formula? Why? Because we have Exactly 3 belong to exactly 2 year. Okay. So total adults, how much we have? Total 20, and A 5 we have, B 7 we have, C 9 we have. So all three, A intersection B intersection C, 3 we have, and 3 belongs to exactly 2. Exactly 2 is how much? 3 year. Okay. So exactly 2 is 3 year. So therefore, taking this, what is the formula? Total is equals to A plus B plus C minus 2 times, minus exactly 2 minus, so 2 times, so your in all the 3 plus neither. Now, what you need to do? You need to find out neither here. So let's take 20 is equals to 5 plus 7 plus 9 minus exactly 2. How much we have? 3. 2 times 3 is 6. That is minus 9 gets cancelled. 20 is equals to 12 plus neither we have. So 20 minus 12 is neither. So therefore it is 8 is equals to neither. So is it 8? 2 or 3? Exactly how many we have? Two groups. Yeah, let us see. 5 plus 12. Mm, is it correct? 5, 7, then 9 we have. 2 belong to this one. Oh, we have exactly. So, sorry, if 2 belong to all 3. So, it is 2 guys, not 3. So, if 2 means, in a sense, 2 into 2, it becomes 4. Sorry, it is 4. So, minus 7, that means plus 2, it is 14. So therefore, 20 minus 14 is how much? 6. So 6 of them have not joined any of the organizations. So out of these adults, we see that 6 of them have not joined any team here. Got it? Any doubt? Okay. Now I'll give you one more question. So not using this, without using this formula, how you people can, using the Venn diagrams, how you can get the thing. See, one is this formula, very much important. Okay. But without, so using the so without using the formulas also, you people, if you are able to construct the Venn diagram, you can solve the problem. See, in a college, in a college, 200 students, 200 students are randomly selected. Okay, selected. In that, they say 140 like tea, 140 like tea, 120 like coffee, and 80 like 80 like both tea and coffee. Okay. So this is the thing. First question for this is what? How many like only tea? Okay. Here the first question you need to say how many like only tea. How many like only coffee? Okay. Then how many students like neither coffee nor tea? That means no coffee, no tea. Okay. Then how many students like only one of the tea or coffee? Any of this. Okay. Then A B C D E. The next question: how many students like at least one beverage? At least one beverage. Okay. So now what is that? We have total 200. 120 like coffee, 80 like both tea and this one, 140 like this one. So let me draw a Venn diagram here. 200 is the entire group. 200 is entire group. Then let this be the set of tea. Let this be the set of coffee. First, let me put those who like both tea and coffee. Both tea and coffee, 80. So, if 80 like tea also, 80 like coffee also, then how many will be there who only like tea? So, it will be, so 140 like tea. In that, 80 people like your coffee also. So therefore, only tea will be what? 140 minus 80. That means what? 60 people will be liking only tea. Okay. Now, so if 80 people like coffee, we have so 120 people liking coffee. So that means people who like only coffee will be what? 120 minus 80, that is 40. Isn't it? So we got this Venn diagram. Now, using this, don't you think we can get the answers within one step here? So let me tell you. Only tea, how much? Only tea is this one, 60 members. Isn't it? Only coffee, how much? 40 members. Isn't it? Then, neither coffee nor tea. So what you need to do? Neither coffee nor tea means 200 total members, but you sum up these things, these people are involved in either coffee, tea, or whatever it is. So both 60, 100, 180, which is equals to 20 people don't like coffee also, tea also. Okay, so that is the thing. Either tea or coffee, either tea or coffee, in the sense what? So they can like tea also or coffee, one of them. Either they will be liking tea or coffee. Okay, now tea or coffee, this is 60 plus 40, it is 100. Okay, and now at least one of the beverages, one of the beverage means they could like tea also, they could like this one coffee also. So or they can like, at least is there, that means they can maximum like both of them. So therefore, how much it is? The sum of all these things, it is 180. See, so easily we could solve 5 questions just by one simple diagram, isn't it? So if you know to draft, if you know to draft, or if you just understand the given question, draft it properly, yes, definitely it will become very easy for us to calculate here. Okay, so now let us do the next question. Yeah, I'll give one more question. Yeah, in a class of 50 students, in a class of 50 students, 30 students, 30 students play cricket, cricket, 29 students play hockey, play hockey, and 19 students, 19 play both the games, both the games. I'll give the questions, guys. Kindly do it. This is very easy. You people give a try and do it. If you do it, we'll also get energy. Okay, yeah, students are doing. We need to give them more problems. Okay. How many students play at least one game? At least one of the two game. Two game. That is, it is basically A union B. Okay, I've given the hint also. How many play? How many play? Exactly one game. Exactly one of the two games. Two games. And then how many students play neither of the two games? That means they won't play anything. Okay. Two games. And then how many play only cricket? How many play only cricket? Then how many play? How many play only hockey? Now kindly do it and tell me. It's a simple thing. Kindly do and tell me, guys. Should I wait for you or should I do? Yes. When we draw the Venn diagram, let us draw it. What is that? Cricket, hockey. What we have? Cricket and hockey we have. Cricket and hockey together. How many are playing? 19 play both cricket and hockey. Yeah. In that 11 play, that means what? So basically, if you see, so we have how many playing this one, cricket. So if you see people playing cricket, so we see that 30 students play cricket. So 11 is there. Okay, 11 plus 19, it is 30. And also we see that 29 students play hockey. So 29 in the sense here, what we have here, it is 10. Okay, and total how many students we have? So total students that we have is 50 students. Okay, total we have 50 students. Now, let us from this. So how many students play at least one of the two games? A union B. At least one of the two games means A union. This complete thing is what? So A union B. 11 plus 90, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. So 40 students play the entire thing. How many play exactly one of the two games? Exactly one of the two games. Either cricket. 11 people play only cricket, 10 people play only hockey. So therefore it is 21. Isn't it? How many students play neither of the two games? That means what? None of the two games. Totally, how many we have? 40 playing. But we have 50 students, 50 minus 40. So 10 students neither play nothing. 10. How many play only cricket? Only cricket, how many are playing? 11 people. How many people? 11 people play only cricket. And then, so what is that the next thing? How many play only hockey? 10 people. Getting it? Any doubts on these things? Do you guys have any doubts on this? Let me see. Yes, sir. So no doubts, guys. Any doubts you people have? This is what all about our this one. What is that? Our Venn diagrams. Okay. So Venn diagrams, and this is how you need to find the solutions and everything. And any doubts here, you people can ask me. No doubts? Great. Okay, then, guys. We'll see you tomorrow with another topic and we'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Also, if any of you have any doubt related to the Ubergrad website or the handouts or recordings, you may ask now. Thank you.